All
right, welcome back, newbie Qers. Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and it is steaming hot today. I just noticed, see if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. It says 98 degrees. It said 100 a minute ago, so it's actually, oh look, see, it's like cooling off. That's weird. The sun went behind the clouds, so that may be why it's cooling off a little bit. But it just said 100 like a minute ago. But they said it was like 100 and, I don't know, like 114 degrees or something, real feel today or whatever. But it's hot. It's hot. It's super humid. So I came home early. I didn't go get my kids yet because I wanted to try something. I haven't been putting out any videos lately because it's been hot and we've had things going on and yada 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 yada. Excuses. But today I have something. Thanks to my buddy at work, he gave me the idea. We're gonna try to fry an egg on the concrete. So let's go get some eggs, or an egg. I'm just gonna waste an egg. I'm not gonna get more than that because that's just kind of a waste. But anyway, let's go get an egg. We're gonna go out here. We're gonna crack it open on the concrete and hopefully we can fry us an egg. All right, so my lens keeps fogging up, so we'll see if we can do this. But all right, we're gonna try this. I have no idea if you're gonna be able to see this or not. Maybe. All right, here we go. I'm even put some seasoning on it, little holy smokers. Maybe if I get it to come out of there we go. All right, there she is. We're gonna let her cook.
1 hour later.
All right, so my lens was fogging up, but we're gonna try to do this real quick. Look at this. Check it out. Check it out. We fried an egg. Look at that. We fried an egg. Holy cow. Dude, we totally fried an egg on the concrete. Look at that. It doesn't look like it's quite done. Like it looks like it's super runny, but look at the edges of it. They're all brown. Dude, we totally fried an egg on the concrete. That's awesome. All right, I'm back in the air now. I let my dogs go out there and eat the egg. I don't know if you can see them. You see them out there eating the egg? Yeah, there you go. You can see them now. But I'm not gonna eat that egg. I'm definitely not gonna eat that egg. I just cooked on the concrete. It ain't gonna happen. But anyway, that's all I got for today. We'll see you next time on another episode. Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And peace out. We love you. Oh, don't forget to hit the links down below. I also used some Holy Smoker seasoning on this egg. I don't know why I seasoned the egg. It's just weird. But anyway, go follow me. Go follow me on all my socials and stuff like that. So there's links down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace, love you, bye.